What if I told you today the most beautiful lesson didn't happen inside the classroom? So today we took our little childrens for the nature's visit and picnic, and it turned out to be a day full of laughter, learning, and little unforgettable moments. Away from books and screens, they explored trees, felt the fresh air, and enjoyed the freedom in open space. Nature awakes curiosity in children. It makes them observant, confident, and calm. They played together, shared their lunch, and bonded like one big family. These simple joys teach teamwork, gratitude, and kindness. Lessons that no textbook can fully explain. Such outings supports their holistic development, mentally, emotionally, and socially. Seeing them glowing faces reminded us that sometimes the best education happens under the open sky. Because when children connect with nature, they truly grows.